Good morning, everyone. I'm Juan Diaz-Prinz, and welcome to my 3 Essential Tips series, where I talk about things that are important to the dialogue and mediation space. Today, I'd like to talk to you about something that's really dear to my heart: trust. The first thing I'd like to think about is, what kind of trust are we trying to build? Is it a brand new relationship where you're trying to start out and build some trust? Or is it something that happens that broke the trust and you're trying to rebuild it? If it's the latter one, you really need to talk to the person who doesn't trust you and figure out where the trust was broken and how you can rebuild it. If you're just starting out, you want to make sure that the person has enough information to give you what I call a trust deposit, to say, okay, I'm going to go ahead and trust this person for a little bit. And with that, I think a lot of transparency, a lot of repetitive behavior, a lot of time spent on who am I and why you should trust me will take you a long way. The second thing is that you don't want to start off with immediately trying to do all sorts of things. You want to start with working trust, building a relationship where people say, you know what, I'm going to trust you in this particular type of work because we have the same goals, we have the same ideas, I know where you're going. Predictability, reliability are super important. For example, if you make an appointment, don't break it. And if you're going to break it, you better have a very, very good reason why, and to tell them in advance. Because predictability is one of the number one metrics that people have when they're thinking, should I trust this person? My last tip is take some time and figure out what areas of trust you want to work on, whether it's reliability, well-being, competence. People trust other people depending on a series of factors: their disposition, their experiences, and the type of relationship you're having. If I don't think you're confident and I don't trust you with a job, having a coffee somewhere in a coffee shop isn't going to build trust. If I don't trust you with your competence, I need to see you being competent. The same way as if you're thinking about inclusion. If I don't trust that you are including me in the most important decisions of our community, having meetings and not including someone is going to reduce the level of trust. So number one, assess the type of trust you're building. Make sure what kind of trust you're building. Number two, focus on working trust. And number three, identify different areas of trust that you want to build and develop various steps in that direction to help build the trust. Whatever you do, make sure that you understand that trust is an ongoing relationship and that people give as much as they get. And so it's a mutual relationship of trust building. Have a great day, everyone.